right, this is my daughter's 2011 Ford Ranger. Nice truck. I'm going to put on some bed rails that I got to dress it up a little bit. She's seen another truck with one, so I found some online and I'm going to try to slam them on there. First thing I need to do is get them out of the box. Whoa. And I already cut the box open. Hardware in here. Hardware. First thing I need to do is actually, I have these caps on here, which amazingly are about 25 bucks for 4 of them. They fly out sometimes. I'm kind of tired of them. So we're going with the rails, which were only 85 bucks. Okay, here's the hardware that comes. There's 2 types of brackets. The small ones are for the small stake pocket bed, which is what I have. And then these ones would be for a bigger truck. You got 4 bolts, and they're Allen with washers, and then 4 each. So we're going to be using this side. And then there's a second Allen wrench that came with it, because I haven't even pulled these out yet. There's an adjuster right here underneath in case you need to move it. Looks like a 1/2 inch or so on both ends. So that's what these bad boys look like. Little preview of what it's going to look like here in a few minutes. So I'm going to put my head cam on and try to get these bad boys on there. Babies down. Also read you're not supposed to use these as like tie downs or anything, because that's not what they're designed for. They're purely just for looks. That's about it. Let's do a walk around. Looking good. 85 bucks compared to what, 25 for those black caps. So That's pretty cool. Truck looks a lot different. It's a good truck. Danger Ranger, baby. Hit the like and subscribe button if this video helped you out.